Hey guys, tonight we will attempt to pick an ABUS dimple lock. It's the D10 core, I believe. It's 2 stars from the SKG lab. It's 6 pinner, brand new, works perfectly. And you can see that the pins are alternating from security to a standard pin. 6 of them, and we have a drill bit over here. Not a bad lock. I do like it a lot. Presents quite a challenge. Now let's see if we can pick it on camera in a decent amount of time. So get us a tension wrench there, and let's try the salto rod pick first. Problem with this one, it's okay, number 1 gave us the slightest of picks. Let's try number 2. Set click. So number 3. Maybe not yet. Number 4, give us a click. And everything after number 4 with this tool, it becomes really hard because it's a little bit fat for this core. But still, did manage to pick it a few times with it. Let's try again. So 1, set 2. Seems to be not ready. 3. Sounds like it's set. Sorry, I forgot to show the bidding on the key. I will show it in a moment. Oops, sorry. It was not. And I reset it. Okay. Let's start again. So number 1, number 2, three, maybe not yet, 4, 6, 5, 4, 3. Come on, number 3. Okay, let's dance on the pins. And open. There we go. Dancing works on these high security locks. That's it. Good. So that was the ABUS approved by the SKG lab. This is the key if I have forgotten to show it. Not a bad lock. I really enjoyed picking it. And I don't remember because I had it a while. I think it's grade 7 out of 10 on the ABUS scale, maybe 8, but I do believe it was 7. It's a very fun pick. If you happen to get your hands on one, take it because it's a very good lock. So thanks for watching. Keep it legal, guys. Cheers.